Good morning everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a black, red and gold look with a black wing. So I'm going to start off by putting my tape on my eyes. The tape is by Elf. In a packet like that, and I usually cut them in half. Next I'm going to apply the Morph eyelid primer, which comes out as a cream skin tone colour. I'll just apply that to my eyelids with my fingers. So I've finished patting in the eyelid primer. So now I'm going to go in on my eyelids and use the Benefit Bowing Cakeless Concealer. So I'll just pop some of that on the back of my hand as well. Dab some of that on. So I've applied the concealer. I have a feeling we could be off to a bad start already because that concealer is actually quite yellow and hasn't sort of settled in my fine lines in my eyelids, but I'm going to persevere and I'm going to use the James Charles palette again. And I'm going to go in with this, it's actually gold, as a highlighter. So I've finished applying the highlighter, and just under here now I'm going to go in with some orange. So I'm going to use this orange here. So that's not really as orange as I had hoped it would be. So now I'm using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with this orange here over the top. A bit better, but we'll make it work. So again, I'm not really happy with that orange, so I'm going to use my Smoky Carroty palette and see if we have more success with this orange here. Eventually I will get orange. Back to the James Charles palette. I'm going to go in with red in the corners here. So now using my Beauty Creations palette Anna, I'm going to use this burgundy here next to the red. The pigment is quite good. So now I'm going to go in with the same palette, the Beauty Creations Anna palette, using her black. Might actually go back to the James Charles palette for that one. I only use that one because of the burgundy colour. So more pigmented black from James Charles. Much better. So I'm going to go in now with a soft brush and blend those colours through. So if the colours aren't blending as nicely as you'd like, then I'm actually going to go in with some more burgundy here. So I've added some more highlighter from the James Charles palette, and I used the gold. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, just sort of pop it here. The fences are here again. So that gold on my lids didn't actually really do a lot. So I'm going back to the Beauty Creations Anna palette, and I'm going to use this shimmery burgundy colour and try that one. Put it on with my fingers. That's a bit nicer. So onto my favourite and not so favourite part is doing the wing. So I'm using Kat Von D's tattoo liner in the black. do the other side. So my wings are done, and now I'm going to tightline under my top lashes using the Urban Decay 24/7 Perversion black eyeliner. Makes your eyes water a bit. So now I'm going to use It Superhero Mascara, which you've all gathered by now is my favourite. I really love to do false lashes, but I think I'd still be here tonight at dinner time trying to put them on and doing it properly, so I'm not going to waste your time. I'm just going to do mascara. So that's the mascara done. Now I'm going to peel the tape off. Nice neat finish there on the wing. Same on this side. And I'm going to clean up the fallout. So as you can see, the red is being very stubborn and coming off. I'm using a makeup remover wipe just over my finger, trying to get rid of it, and it's still coming off. I don't want to use baby oil or anything like that, because that will then obviously affect the outcome of when you put on your concealer and your foundation, because it'll be just too oily. So I've just gone in under here on my waterline using the Maybelline, it's called the Big Eyeliner. It's got white on one end and black on the other. So because I couldn't decide on a colour yet for under here, just thought I'd go in and try this white. So back to my James Charles palette, and I'm going to use the gold as a highlighter in the corner of my eyes. So that's done. So I'm going to use a tiny little bit of black eyeshadow and just go over the corner here in the black eyeshadow to try and line all that up again. The reason I'm using black eyeshadow is because I don't think the black eyeliner is actually going to go over the highlight in dense enough black, so that's my eyes complete. I've just put some mascara on my bottom lashes. So the next step is going to be my face preparation and foundation and contour.